Today I'm going to be talking about fashion business, how to get more customers in your fashion business. What is your customer coming to you for? That's the first question you should ask. What do these customers want from you as a tailor? Number one, they want prompt delivery. Number one, they want a perfect fit. Number one, they want neat sewing. Number one, they want to look gorgeous. Everything is number one on the list, so nothing is beneath any other, right? So give it to them. If a client comes to you and the design is beyond you, my dear, don't sew. Don't do it. In fact, we should all have our niche. Not everybody should sew wedding gown. Yes. Not everyone should sew a jacket. Yes. Not everyone should sew children's wear. Find your niche, hone your skill and perfect your skill in that niche. So if a client comes to you with laces that is filled with beads and stone and you know you can't handle it, promptly say, no ma, this is not my specialty. I do jumpsuits, corporate wears, dresses, shift dresses. I know people who make just shift dresses and cash out over ₦1 million in sales monthly. There is no crime in picking a niche, Find your skill level and stay there. And if you can refer this client to someone who you know can do her stone lace very well, why don't you? Refer her, send her somewhere better where she would be satisfied. You've still done something valuable to her. You sent her to somebody who did the perfect job for her. And she'll remember you when she wants to make her jumpsuit. She'll remember you when she wants to make her shift dress. Okay? Now, why bite more than you can chew? You already have 20 dresses to make in a space of 1 week, and you might not be able to cope with just your one tailor or two tailor, and most of you even sew alone. Why even bother taking more jobs? Why destroy your reputation like that? You won't be able to deliver promptly. You'll be known as a tailor who disappoints. Why? Why? If you're filled for the week, say sorry. Is this urgent? I won't be able to deliver this week. But however, I can put you on my schedule and deliver so day, so time in the next 2 weeks. If the client can wait, they would wait. Trust me, some of them can wait because they want you, who they know is really good at this, to do their dress. They would wait. If it's a Shoebi and the time is really close, oh well, you can refer them to someone. Or, trust me, these tailors have plan B. They will go to their plan B tailor who will do it for them. Don't destroy your reputation like that. Now, once you've collected the job, my dear, put your heart and sew it. Put your heart and sew that dress. Make sure the fit is awesome. Like, I wonder how a tailor would sew without her measuring tape. It's okay when these clients come for fitting that the dress could be slightly tight or slightly loose, but not the one that the customer will be asking you, did you really take my measurements? Did you? Did you really take my measurements? This dress looks like it's made for someone else. Come on now. Put your heart and sew that dress. Give the client the perfect fit. Give the client the beautiful finishing. Check the quality of your stitch. There was a time I hired some new batch of tailors. My dear, quality of stitch became a problem. A client will wear her dress and, it will just rip on the side. I'm like, this is so embarrassing, So it just dawned on me that these people are not checking the stitches. I have to do something about my quality control measures. Check the quality of your stitches. Let a very simple thing like making a straight line not mess you up. Do a good job and see if these clients will not tell their friends and families and sisters about you. I'm sure you currently have some customers who bring a friend, right? I do, and maybe you do. If you don't, then you're not doing well, right? One customer is a walking billboard, like one of my tailor friends would say. One customer is a free fashion show. One customer can give you 10 customers. That 10 customers, another 10 customers, right? So please, when you're working on your client's job, do it as unto the Lord. Do it like you're doing it for Jesus Christ himself to wear. Make it nice, put your heart to it, and see if those clients won't come back over and over again. Right? Don't be the tailor that they bring handkerchief to when they want to sew the ordinary boba, or the one that they feel the fabric is cheap, it's just 500 naira ankara, they bring it to you. No, be the tailor that they value and would want to come to for their high valued stuff, and are willing to pay you whatever you ask because you're worth it. Thank you. Implement these things I've said, and let me know in the comment section if there are more things I have left out here, so we can all learn from each other. Bye.